Hello, my name is Blessing. I'm coming to prepare the items that I will use: cassava and plantain.
So she will use cassava and plantain to prepare the fufu, and she's peeling it in the cassava. So this is how we do it. She's only peeling the cassava. This kind of food called fufu. How to prepare it? So she's on it, peeling the cassava. So after peeling, she will divide it into two. And that's what she's doing. She'll put it in the water to wash it before she puts it on fire.
So who's the fanners?
Yep. This way she had that. They are on fire. So now they have cooked their cassava, and now they are pounding it. Pounding. So this is the beginning. So this is the fufu that they are still on it, pounding the fufu. And cooking this food, fufu, it takes about more than 3 hours to do it. Because from the first time you peel the cassava and the plantain, you put it on fire, and it will be boiled for almost 1 hour, like 50 to 1 hour minutes before it will be cooked, ready to be pounded. And pounding it to spend about 2 hours. For the pot that you put it on. You see, there's every pot, the size of it depends on the time that you spend. So if it is small, it is less time. And when it is plenty, that means you spend a lot of time doing it. So you are just on it. You haven't finished yet. You're still on it. Still pounding. Yeah, still pounding. The boy is still on the floor doing it. You can see he's sweating. This is the wetting. Yeah. So you're on it, pounding the fufu. After this, then it means it's ready to eat. So this is the like final process of it. So after this, then it means it's finished. So this is the part that when they mix the plantain and the cassava. So they have mixed it. You can see it. Plantain and cassava, they have mixed it. Put it together. They have all been pounded it. They have mixed them together. That makes the fufu. The end part will come. Just very soon you have the end part of it coming. So now it is finished and they are sharing it. This is how we divide it here. So you see the 2 pieces over there. So they are done now. And this is how they divide it. And they are sharing it. So this is how we do it here. And after that, everybody will bring his or her bowl. And they will pick it from the big pan and put it in the bowl, and they will put the food on. So that part 2 is coming. So now the fufu is ready and they are sharing it. So this is how they share it. This is how they share it. We put it in the bowl. Search for the fish. We put the fish on it. So that's the sharing. Yeah, sharing.